Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the ARMA Infraction. This is the 3S model speed run car. My friend was getting speed wobbles, so he asked me to try and diagnose it. Turned out it was just the gyro in the receiver, the AVC, was acting up, so I just turned that down to nothing and it runs straight again. Pretty cool looking body on this thing, kind of reminiscent of the P2 J Concepts with the fin. This radio is a little different than the one comes with the Creighton, obviously, because it has the AVC system in it. But you got your brake rate, your steering trim, your throttle trim, and then your steering and throttle, reverse or neutral. And then again, you can have either 50, 75 or 100% power. I'm not sure what that does. A and B. AB. Oh, it's just a third channel if you wanted to hook something in. But yeah, here's the inside of it. It runs off these big 3S packs, not quite as big as the 4S ones that go in the Creighton. They strap in here with these nice heavy duty straps, and fits in there quite well. There's not a lot of slop. And then you got your ESC here, very much like a hobby wing. Same way to calibrate it, you just hold down the button while you turn this on. Here, I'll demonstrate. I don't know why that was being finicky. Anyways, you hold the button down, you press the power button while you hold down the little button. When it starts to beep, you let go of the button, and the first setting is the neutral, so you just press the set button once. Then you pull full throttle, press the set button again. It will beep twice to confirm that. Then you go full brake, press the set button a third time, it'll beep 3 times, and then you're calibrated. I'm going to see if I can get Braden from up the road to help me shoot some video later, and we'll get some video of these cars ripping up and down the road here. In the meantime, we can take a closer look inside here. So again, it's got these huge beefy shock towers. Like, this thing's built like a tank. These turnbuckles are also huge. Got this big, huge, heavy front bumper on here for. It's got this big, thick, heavy-duty foam bumper. This is a speed run car, so it's got these really, really hard foam tires. Again, ARMA. Looks like Spectrum again, Spectrum components. Nice heavy duty drive shafts. Again, pretty much as big as my finger. Got the huge towers on the back too. And again, I really like the way they do these body supports on these cars. That's really cool. And then got the other, I forget what you call these kind of wings. I'm not really an on-road guy, but the wing under the wing But yeah, so that's the armament infraction, guys. If there's anything you want to have a closer look at, or anything you want to know about this, just leave a message in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.